How to recover permanently deleted Snapchat account after 30 days. Firstly, you'll have to open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Okay, so from your in the search field, you have to type like Snapchat support. So simply you have to type it. And now from here, you will go to URL like help.snapchat.com. So you have to go with that option. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like contact us. So simply you have to tap on it. And now from here in the section submit our request, you will have to choose the options like I think my account was compromised. So simply you have to choose it. Okay, so from here you will have to scroll down and on this section username and email address, you will have to give your username and email address that you have been linked with your Snapchat account. So simply give it here and as usual give the phone number. And in this text area section, you will have to explain your problem that you have unfortunately deleted your Snapchat account and you are trying to log in after 30 days. So help me out to recover my Snapchat account. So after you mention such problem on that section, you will have to click on the submit option and from there the problem might be solved. You can easily recover that account with the Snapchat team supports. So if you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.